动发展不会非常旺盛。不过高温资讯您倒是要特别留心了，因为气象署今天持续。
里面有没有人？赶快离开！
Breaking news. A catastrophic event has struck the island of Taiwan, shaking its very core. Hello? This is Nova, and welcome to our special coverage of the 7.5 magnitude earthquake that has rocked Taiwan, leaving devastation and chaos in its wake.
所以以前我是想说，哦，这是我岳母的男朋友嘛，那他有时候来跟他聊一聊，哦，他有在弄股票或什么的，稍微聊一下。
有的狮子都掉下来，里面隧道洞口的全部封掉了，封起来了。我的客人还在里面，2个客人在里面，2个。
Today, we bring you the harrowing tale of survival, resilience, and the race against time to rescue those trapped beneath the rubble. Stay with us as we delve into the heart of the disaster and uncover the stories of heroism and tragedy that have unfolded in the aftermath of this seismic catastrophe. The earth trembled with ferocity as a powerful earthquake struck Taiwan, marking it as the strongest trembler to hit the island in over 25 years. With a magnitude of 7.2, the quake's epicenter was nestled in the mountainous region of Hualien, where the rugged terrain has posed challenges for rescue teams scrambling to save lives. Buildings crumbled like sandcastles, roads buckled, and lives were forever altered in the blink of an eye. As the dust settled, the toll of destruction became apparent. Lives lost, families shattered, and communities left in ruins. The aftermath of the quake paints a grim picture of devastation, with at least 9 lives tragically claimed, and over 900 individuals left injured and in desperate need of medical attention. The once serene landscapes of Taiwan's eastern county of Hualien now bear the scars of nature's wrath, as buildings lay twisted and roads impassable. But amidst the chaos, tales of courage and resilience emerge. Heroes emerge from the rubble, risking their own lives to save others. From firefighters braving collapsing structures to volunteers lending a helping hand, the spirit of solidarity shines brightly in the darkest of hours. Yet the fight is far from over as rescuers tirelessly comb through debris, inching closer to those still trapped beneath the rubble. The quake's impact reverberated far beyond the shores of Taiwan, triggering tsunami warnings in southern Japan and the Philippines. While the initial panic subsided as the warnings were lifted, the fear and uncertainty lingered in the hearts of many. The seismic waves may have subsided, but the scars left by the quake will be etched into the collective memory of those who experienced its fury. In the wake of such a catastrophe, the resilience of the human spirit shines brightest. Taiwan, a nation accustomed to adversity, stands united in the face of tragedy. From government agencies mobilizing resources to ordinary citizens lending a helping hand, the strength of community prevails. As the road to recovery stretches ahead, let us stand together in solidarity, offering support and hope to those in need. Join us as we journey into the heart of the disaster, shedding light on the stories of survival, resilience, and the unwavering spirit of the human soul. Together, we stand strong, united in our resolve to rebuild, recover, and emerge stronger than before. This is the story of Taiwan's resilience in the face of adversity.